I made this catfish pepper soup on TikTok live a few days ago, and you guys, this is exactly what my body needs right now for this weather. But yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm going to clean the fish. It's been gutted and cleaned already from the store, so I'm going to go ahead now. Of course, I'm going to clean again, but then first, cut them up into your desired size and rinse properly. I'm going to transfer the fish into a bowl, going with some salt. You can also clean this with lemon or even lime. Now add room temperature water and rinse. I like to give it that first rinse before I proceed. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in some salt into the fish and then go in with boiling water. What this will do is help remove any slime that is still on the fish. But like I said, this fish was cleaned already, so there wasn't really any slime, as you can see. The hot water will also help to firm up the fish so it doesn't flake while cooking. So I let the fish sit in there for about a minute, not more than a minute. Drain, rinse with some cold water and then transfer back into a pot, a wide enough pot. Now to this I'm going to add some pepper. I wanted this to be hot and spicy, so I went in with some scotch bonnet pepper, habanero pepper. I'm also going to add some onion. Skip the onion if you don't like to add onion in your pepper soup. That black thing I added was uyayak, also known as Adam fruit. This right here is some ground pepper soup spice. So because that was already grounded, I'm going to revive all of the flavors with some freshly cracked calabash nutmeg and some ginger, to revive the flavors. Now I'm going to add that to a blender, add 1 tomato and blend till smooth. Pour in the blended mixture, add some water and continue to cook for the first 7 minutes. Now if you have enough time, you can mix in all of the spices properly and allow that sit out for a few hours before you start cooking. At this time, the viewers voted that I added some plantain, so I cut up some plantain into the fish so everything can cook together. While that is going, I'm going to go ahead now to clean up. Today's special hug is for Pretty Ami Smart watching from Nigeria. I'm glad you love the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug in my next video. A little over 15 minutes later, the fish was cooked, the plantain was cooked as well. I gave it a taste and it was bursting. So at this time, I'm going to remove the uyayak. It has flavored our pepper soup. Save that, you can reuse it at least 2 more times. So what I do is I rinse it, put in a Ziploc and freeze. Next, I went in with the shrimp. That would take maximum 4 minutes to cook. I let that go for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I opened up the pot and you guys, the aroma was nose blinding. I went in with some vegetables, allowed that to simmer for about a minute and took it off the heat. Our food is ready. Serve and enjoy. I did not add crayfish because I had shrimps in it, but feel free to add crayfish if you like. I took some pictures and we ate our food. Thank you for watching. Bye.